I should be taking money from you for all these laddus. My back.
Yes. Why not, Chutki? You should be charging for them. They are so incredibly delicious. What say, Raju?
Hey, Kalia, where are you guys off to?
And the lucky draw prize goes to Indumati.
Chalk?
Let's go that side. Seems like some game is going on.
But I'm tired. I'll sit right here.
We shall be back.
Yeah, right. Size that you want to lift these heavy objects and show off.
Keeps making fun of poor Dholu and Bolu.
Someone laughs at Kalia, then he will realize how bad one feels. Dholu and Bholu should laugh at Kalia.
Why don't we write something else?
This is really heavy. Lift this, then how will you be able to move it?
Bholu should be able to pick up the heavy object.
Bolu, this is not at all heavy.
How can this be possible? Just give me that.
Why don't we write about those two trees and see they have been stuck there for years? Let's write they should be able to talk and walk like humans.
2 trees by the drain should be able to walk and talk just like normal human beings. Nothing happened. That means this is just an ordinary chalk.
For many years now, these humans have taken advantage of us. They have been eating our fruits. When the sun used to be too hot, we gave them shelter, and in spite cutting off our own friends.
Stop. Don't
Away right now.
We are not going to move.
Chalk that I got as a prize, I wrote with it. Just to check whether it is magical or not. We wanted to see whether these trees could walk and talk.
the chalk.
I threw it that side near the stones.
They want to fix us back in the same place. You hold on to them.
Those 2 big trees stop talking and walking and get rooted wherever they are.
The trees got what they deserved for harassing us so much. They are now so far apart that they can't even talk to each other, even if they want to.
Catch it! Come on, catch! Yay! Hey, the score is equal, guys. Kalia, this is our chance. We can defeat Bheem now.
Bheem, watch out. Take this now.
Hey, let's Kalia! Yay!
Got it.
Hey, what's going on? My hands are burning.
Hey, watch out!
Bheem, catch it!
Hooray! We won!
Yay!
Oh no.
I just saw Dacoit Dukhya pass by. Where?
Hey, go easy.
Things have never been easy here.
I agree.
The other one looked like Sukhiya. What are Dhoka Singh's sidekicks doing here?
What's up, guys? What's wrong with all of you? All okay, right? Why aren't we playing?
Don't you think it's a little hot for us to be playing outdoors?
I'm not moving an inch from here. No games today.
So, what do you plan to do under this tree all day, huh?
Oh, I wish I could eat an ice cream right now. I wish we had a world made of ice creams and chocolates and candies, where we could ski on mountains topped with ice cream.
Yes, and swim in rivers of chocolate.
Come on, I can barely wait.
Oh no, our food.
Who are you? Wait. We do not intend to harm you.